Hey guys, welcome back. In previous video, we have implemented the splitting functionality by using page range or single page, and we have also implemented the merging functionality of multiple PDF files into one. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create PDF file using images, multiple images. So before that, we have to include some libraries. First one is below, which is used for the image manipulation of images. Okay. And second one is for the file. Okay, to show the images. Okay, separate images. Also, let me show you the Python file as well. This is the code. Okay, and make sure that you are giving the using the RGB. Okay, you can use grayscale as well and etc. Okay. For example, if you are selecting the grayscale, then it will be like black and white. Okay, there is no color in the PDF file. Okay, that's why I have used the RGB color. Okay, red, green, blue. Also, let me show you the PDF toolkit by using the images through PDF. Okay, so it will take the two parameters, context and the images part. Okay, so again, this is redundant. Okay, you can simply call this code in the here. Okay, that's it. There's no need to call sorry, there's no need to call the this code again and again. You can see here. Okay, I've just give you the demo. Okay, also let me show you the view metal code as well. You can see here, it will take the images path. Okay, and then it will call this function which we have defined in PDF tool. Okay, I've rename it to PDF Toolkit instead of like the PDF merger. Okay. Now let me show you the screen code as well. Like you can see here, like I'm observing the UI states. Okay. And I created a images path list. Okay. It will give it will return the selected URI path. Okay. And then again I created the activity launcher as well. Okay. And again, if the PDF is created successfully, then it will this code will launch. Okay, otherwise not. Okay, and then if the something is going wrong, then this block is launched. Okay, and then instead of application forward slash PDF, we need to give the exact type. Okay, which is image under forward slash statics. Okay, so static image will be like PNG, JPG, and etc. Okay, that's why it like I have keep the it's static. Okay, and you can see here like when the user is selected images, then you can preview it. Okay, before creating the PDF file. Okay, that's why I've used async. Okay, that's it. Now let's run the code. Let's select images. Let's download the images again. Let's run the application again. You can see here. Okay, let's say I've selected this images. Okay, and you can see here. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and let me create a PDF file. Okay, you can see here. Now let's go to the files again, and you can see here. Voila, that's it. Okay, if you have any question or query, then let me know in the comments. And in next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can protect the PDF file. Okay, so whenever user try to open the PDF file, then it will ask the password. Okay, alright, see ya, bye bye.